So Handy is coming to install it. We'll be back. So today we're getting a new headboard and I'm so happy. I was looking at this online for a good while now. After I paid all the bills, I was able to buy it. That's the old headboard and this is the new one he's unboxing. Ooh, honey child. I can't wait to see how it looks. I'm so blessed that I'm able to buy this and, you know, upgrade my house. You know, if it's always a good feeling when you can do it by yourself. So I got this from Walmart, guys, if you're interested. It was like less than $200. And then I got Handy. I paid like the extra $35 to get it installed since I don't have anybody else to do it and I'm not gonna do it. Nope. But oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I'm like standing here being a creep watching him do it. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, yes, hunty, fancy, fancy, Nancy. It looks great. Thanks for watching.